In uncertain times, having the right survival gear isn't just helpful, it can be life-saving. In this video, we're showing you 12 of the coolest Doomsday survival gadgets that are perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors, wants to be prepared, or just wants smart gear that works when it matters most. Whether you're a camper, a prepper, or someone who wants to stay ready for any emergency, these tools will make your life easier and safer. Stay with us. Number 5 is something most people don't know about, but everyone should have. Without further ado, let's get started. Gear up for any adventure with the Camping Essentials 16-in-1 multi-tool, designed for hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need it all in one. Featuring an axe, hammer, pliers, saw, screwdrivers, bottle opener, whistle, and more, this rugged tool tackles everything from campsite setup to quick fixes. Built tough for durability and convenience, it comes with a secure sheath for safe carrying. Whether you're in the wild, on the water, or just enjoying the backyard, this multi-tool is the ultimate gift for men, dads, and adventurers everywhere. Be ready for anything with the small 9-in-1 pocket multi-tool wrench. Compact, lightweight, and built for everyday carry. This versatile EDC gadget packs an adjustable wrench, mini pry bar, nail puller, keychain hook, caliper, measuring ruler, glass breaker, and more into one sleek design. Perfect for cycling, hiking, camping, or quick fixes at home. It's a must-have tool for men who like to stay prepared. Durable and portable, it clips easily to your gear or keychain, so you're always ready when the unexpected happens. Stay prepared wherever adventure takes you with the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet 2-pack. More than just a rugged accessory, each adjustable bracelet packs survival essentials. A reliable fire starter, loud emergency whistle, and durable paracord for countless uses in the wild. Perfect for hiking, camping, fishing, or hunting, these bracelets are lightweight, comfortable, and built for real-world survival. With 2 color options, black and black plus orange, you'll be ready to face the outdoors in style and safety. Be ready for anything with this all-in-one survival kit, packed with essential tools for camping, hiking, hunting, and emergency situations. Designed to keep you safe and prepared, it includes gear for fire starting, navigation, first aid, shelter, and more, all neatly stored in a compact, portable case. Perfect for keeping your backpack, car, or emergency kit. It's a must-have for outdoor adventurers and a thoughtful gift for men, dads, boyfriends, scouts, and anyone who loves the great outdoors. When every tool counts, the Zune Lotoo tactical shovel is your ultimate survival companion. This 18-in-1 folding multi-tool combines a heavy-duty entrenching shovel with essential gear for hiking, camping, and emergencies. Compact and lightweight, it packs functions like digging, chopping, hammering, and more into one rugged design. Perfect for backpacks, trucks, or survival kits. Built tough to handle the wildest conditions, it's the perfect gift for survivalists and outdoor enthusiasts ready for anything nature throws their way. Stay protected in any weather with the Prepared 4X Emergency Poncho and Mylar Blanket Liner. Designed for outdoor adventures and emergencies, this waterproof, wind-resistant poncho keeps you dry and warm when conditions turn tough. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry on camping trips, hikes, or in your emergency kit. The included Mylar Blanket Liner adds extra warmth and protection, making this combo essential gear for staying safe and comfortable no matter where you are. Be ready for the unexpected with Prepared 4X. When you're out in the wild, comfort and warmth aren't luxuries, they're survival essentials. The MEREZA XL sleeping bag delivers both with a spacious 90.5 inches by 32.3 inches boxy design that's 20% larger than standard bags, perfect for big and tall campers. Built for warm and cool weather, it features 3.5 pounds of insulation and a drawstring hood to trap heat and block cold air. The 210T ripstop waterproof shell and synthetic fill keep you warm even when wet, while the lightweight 4 pounds build packs down fast into a compact sack. No folding required. With snag-free zippers, foot ventilation, and blanket-style versatility, it's a rugged, easy-care sleeping bag that's ready for any adventure. Experience comfort and protection on your outdoor adventures with the BISINNA 2/4 person camping tent. Lightweight and easy to carry, this backpacking tent is perfect for family camping, hiking, hunting, and mountaineering. Its durable, waterproof, and windproof double-layer design keeps you safe from the elements, while 2 doors provide easy access and ventilation. Quick to set up and spacious enough for 2 to 4 people, it's the ideal shelter for any trip, combining convenience, durability, and comfort wherever your journey leads. Gear up for your next adventure with the KAZOO waterproof backpacking tent, ultralight and designed for 1 or 2 people. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame and double-layer waterproof construction, this tent offers reliable protection against rain and wind without weighing you down. Compact and easy to set up, it's perfect for backpacking, hiking, and camping trips where every ounce counts. Whether solo or with a partner, the KAZOO tent delivers comfort, durability, and convenience to keep you sheltered wherever the trail leads. Stay connected and prepared no matter the situation with this emergency hand crank radio. Equipped with AM/FM and NOAA weather channels, it keeps you informed during storms and power outages. The built-in LED flashlight provides reliable light when you need it most, while the 2,000 mAh power bank charges your phone and USB devices anywhere, whether via hand crank, solar power, or USB charging. Compact and portable, it's the perfect essential for camping, emergencies, and everyday preparedness. Be ready for anything with the 5000 weather radio, your all-in-one emergency companion. Featuring AM/FM, shortwave, and NOAA alerts, it keeps you updated on severe weather and emergencies. Powered by solar, hand crank, USB, or batteries, it offers unmatched versatility. This portable survival radio also includes a power bank to charge your devices, a bright flashlight and reading lamp, headphone jack, SOS signal, and built-in compass. Compact and rugged, it's perfect for camping, outdoor adventures, and emergency preparedness. When your gear is worth protecting, the Evergreen 56 waterproof dry box is your fortress on the go. Built for adventure, this USA-made case is crush-proof, dust-proof, shock-proof, and IP67 waterproof. It even floats with over 3 pounds of gear inside. The pick-and-pluck foam lets you custom-fit cameras, knives, or survival tools with precision, while the polycarbonate shell absorbs impact like a champ. With twist-lock latches that double as pressure valves, it's ready for boats, hikes, and off-road chaos. Internal dimensions: 8.4-inch by 4.4-inch x 2.3-inch. Weight: 1.31 pounds. Whether you're packing a Leica or a fire starter, this box keeps it safe, dry, and ready.